In this video, we'll discuss the key differences between Nadex and other binary option providers. While Nadex binary options may appear more challenging at first glance, they really aren't and can present more potential opportunities than other providers. Most binary option platforms provide only one choice. Will the market go higher or lower in the next 5 minutes? At Nadex, not only are there 5-minute binary options, we also have a variety of other contract durations like 20 minutes, 2 hours, daily, and weekly. Within each contract duration, there are different price levels or strike prices for you to make your prediction around, which gives you various opportunities. Let's take a look at the choices with Nadex 5-minute binary options. First, notice there's a binary option with a price level that is approximately the same as the current indicative price. The binary option is considered to be at the money, meaning there is roughly a 50-50 probability of predicting correctly, translating to a potential chance for a 100% return on investment. On the order ticket, you'll see the specifics for this binary option, which includes the current indicative price, the expiry, and the specific terms. This example asks the question, will the euro US dollar finish higher than 117.89 at 3:30 p.m. Eastern? If you think yes, the price will be higher, you'd buy the option. If you think no, you'd sell it. If you buy at 49, you'd risk $49 to potentially make $51 since a Nadex binary option is worth a maximum of $100. If you're correct, your ROI would be roughly 100%. To be clear, you're risking $49 to potentially get $100, meaning you'd profit $51 on your $49 initial investment, excluding exchange fees. Notice at the bottom of the order ticket, your maximum potential profit or loss is clearly shown before you enter a trade. An important note, the midpoint between the bid-ask prices is the market pricing the probability of the question being true. So the buyer in this example has roughly a 44% probability of being correct. And you can see on the chart, as the indicative price moves around the strike, the probability of the statement being true will fluctuate above or below 50%. Now let's look at a different strike price that is out of the money, meaning the price level selected is above the indicative price, which means a lower probability of your prediction being correct. The order ticket asks, will the euro US dollar finish higher than 117.91 at 3:30 p.m. Eastern? If you buy at 24, you'd risk $24 to potentially make $76. If you're correct, your ROI would be roughly 300%. Again, to be clear, you're risking $24 to potentially get $100, meaning you'd profit $76 on your $24 initial investment, excluding exchange fees. As a reminder, the midpoint between the bid and ask, 24 and 30, is the market pricing the probability of the buyer being correct. The buyer would have a roughly 27% chance of being correct. They would pay less for this option since the indicative price is below the strike, meaning the market would have to move higher for the contract to be profitable. As such, the potential reward is also higher. Once again, your potential maximum profit or loss is clearly shown before you enter a trade. Now, if you thought, no, this isn't going to finish above 117.89, you could sell the contract at 21. Since the probability of the buyer being correct is low, only about 20%, the probability of the seller being correct would be high, around 80%. Here you'd risk $79 to potentially make $21 in the next few minutes, excluding exchange fees. Here's your 5-minute binary option roundup. 1. The midpoint between the bid and ask is the probability of the buyer being correct at that moment. 2. Be sure to understand the probability of success before entering a trade, whether buying or selling. And 3. Be clear on the risk versus reward on a trade, which is calculated on the order ticket. Lastly, when trading binary options, you can exit a trade early and you don't have to wait for expiration. This can help you lock in profits or limit losses.